بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. Distinguished alumni, esteemed guests, seniors, worthy seniors, mentors, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. What a momentous day indeed this is. Today we are not here just for an event. We are witnessing history in the making. For the first time since the founding of Army Medical College in 1977, we stand together, brothers and sisters bound by a legacy that stretches across generations. From the pioneering first MBBS batch to the trailblazing 43rd MBBS graduates, we come together not just as professionals, but as a family. Dear alumni, this is more than just a reunion. This is a homecoming. That is why we have coined the term homecoming, a chance to return to a place where our journeys began, where we were molded not just into the doctors, but into leaders, warriors, and healers. Today, as you walk through these halls once more, I hope you feel the same heartbeat of Army Medical College, the same spirit, the same vibe, the same pulse, the same relentless pursuit of excellence. Look around this room. Every face here represents a story of resilience, story of sacrifice and triumph. You have walked through different paths in life. Some of you have healed the wounds on battlefields, others have pioneered groundbreaking medical research, led the institutions, or trained the next generation of doctors. But no matter where life has taken you, one thing remains true. You are and will always be Amcolians. Army Medical College has never just been about textbooks and exams. It has been about something far greater, a commitment to serve, to push boundaries, and to stand steadfast in the face of challenges. Today you are proof of that legacy. You are the reason Army Medical College is not just an institution, but a symbol of excellence, service, and honor. Dear alumni, while you have been out changing the world, Army Medical College has been evolving too, breaking the barriers, setting records, and redefining what it means to be a center of excellence. Today I stand before you with immense pride as I share that Army Medical College has reached unprecedented heights, not in Pakistan, but also on the global stage. As you heard, I am proud to share that Army Medical College attained historic success in November 2023. We scored highest ever 99.4% in the PMGC inspection, setting a record for all medical institutions in Pakistan. This led to the acknowledgement by World Federation of Medical Education, and we were awarded for that as well by the President of the World Federation of Medical Education, Professor Ricardo, who visited Pakistan at that moment. But very importantly, what I want to tell is this landmark achievement never stopped our journey. To prepare our students for modern healthcare challenges, we have implemented fully integrated curriculum from 2024, acquired cutting-edge resources like a plastinated human body for dissection, thus doing away with century-old cadaveric dissection. We have established a dedicated standalone Department of Medical Education with 5 specialized units and became an American Heart Association accredited international training center offering world-class hands-on training to undergrad and postgrad students in a high-fidelity, low-risk environment of our state-of-the-art skills lab. Through our faculty development program, we have equipped our educators with the tools to stay at the forefront of medical education, ensuring they inspire and mentor the next generation of healthcare professionals. Last 2 years have also seen introduction of academic-centric policy reforms paying dividends now, as our students this year secured university positions in all professional examinations. Other policy headways have been approval of College Executive Council and a revised financial model which was approved by Chief of Army Staff, bringing our financial health of Army Medical College to all-time high in the recent years. Reconstruction of pathology and anatomy museums, renovation of the community medicine and pharmacodynamics lab, upgradation of all the sports facilities, a 1200 capacity night at stadium, battalion sports ground in front of Razi and Qasim Company, 2 2.5-kilometer jogging track for the cadets, sports arena with courts of squash, basketball and tennis, mega projects including renovation of this very Ayub auditorium and adjacent Limula Hall has also been done in the last 2 years, and all have been completed in the last 2 years. Are worth 700 million rupees. So it's a huge amount that we spend in China. Futuristically, we have around 500 million of projects that are undergoing at this very time, and they include a new residential complex for female cadets because we were short of the accommodation for female cadets. A new block is being made. The expansion of the Hijaz examination hall, because now we have one class which has around 228 students. So we have to increase the capacity of examination hall. It is being done now. And the extension of our library as well, which is only 100 capacity. So we are actually doubling it up. We are making another block just adjacent to the library, which is going to double the capacity of our library as well. These continuous advancements do testify that Army Medical College shall remain a leader in medical education, shaping the future of healthcare with excellence and innovation. Last, I am very happy to announce, not the least because it took me 1.5 years to fight for this. Last 45, 46 years, we have not got any motto. All educational institutions have something. Either they have a motto or they have some sign or mascot or something like that. So we undertook a huge exercise. So we invited mottos from all the faculties, all the medical students. And it was a huge exercise that we did. We made a special board for that, and then we selected and shortlisted listed mottos and then had voting on that, and then we selected finally one motto. So I am very happy to say that after 1.5 years, on 14th of February, Valentine's Day, we got our motto. And interestingly, this motto, which we have actually selected after combined wisdom of everybody voting from all faculty and everybody, was given by a cadet of 4th year MBBS, Army Medical College. And it's a Latin phrase which says, ministrare et salvare. Ministrare means to serve, and et means and salvare means to save. So our motto says to serve and to save. So this is our motto. We have an upcoming function to unveil and adopt motto, which we are going to actually do it on 20th, I suppose, if I am right, 20th. But I actually deliberately wanted all of you to see it there on our wall, which is a feature wall that we have made just outside this Ayub auditorium, so that you should also see that this is our motto which we have adopted after 47, 48 years of college coming to be. And it's a very appropriate motto. I thought it is very appropriate. Our motto is to serve and to save. So this is the story. So ladies and gentlemen, one of the most special moments of today's reunion will be your chance to walk through the very corridors where your medical journey began. These walls have seen you at your best and at your worst, through endless study nights, challenging exams, and unforgettable friendships. They have been witness to your transformation from students into professionals who would go on to change the world. As you visit your old classrooms, the hostel rooms that once echoed with your laughter and late night discussions, and the sports grounds where you tested your limits, I hope you take a moment to reflect. Yes, Army Medical College has changed and progressed for better, but its soul essentially remains the same. Let us also remember that today is just the beginning. A homecoming is not just about looking back, it is about moving forward together. This event is not a one-time gathering, it is the start of a lifelong tradition, a promise that no matter how many years pass, this bond will never fade. और बकौले शायर, हमें ऐसे बिछड़ना है कि गोया कल भी मिलना है. हमें ऐसे बिछड़ना है कि गोया कल भी मिलना है. बशर्ते जिंदगी है दोस्त, मिलना लाजमी ठहरा. किसी रस्ते पे मिल जाएं, किसी मंजिल पे मिल जाएं. बशर्ते जिंदगी है दोस्त, मिलना लाजमी ठहरा. I urge you, stay connected, mentor those who come after you, Give back to the institution that gave you so much. Let us strengthen the Amcolian spirit, ensuring that the generations who follow will stand on the foundation we have built together. I assure you that new generation of Amcolians shall walk and follow your footsteps, carrying the torch you once held. Because no matter where life takes you, one thing will always remain true. You are all Amcolians. This is your home. This is your legacy. کچھ یادیں ہیں ان لمحوں کی جن لمحوں میں ہم ساتھ رہے، خوشیوں بھرے جذبات رہے، ایک عمر گزاری ہے ہم نے جہاں روٹھتے ہوئے بھی ہنستے تھے، کچھ کہتے تھے کچھ سنتے تھے، ہر روز صبح جب ملتے تھے تو سب کے چہرے کھلتے تھے، وہ لطف و منظر ہوتا تھا، سب مل کر باتیں کرتے تھے، ہم سوچ کے کتنا ہنستے تھے، وہ گونج ہمارے کہتے کی اب ایک پرانی یاد بنی، یہ باتیں ہیں ان لمحوں کی جن لمحوں میں ہم ساتھ رہے، کچھ یادیں ہیں ان لمحوں کی جن لمحوں میں ہم ساتھ رہے. So I'll end by saying that welcome back, and let's make today the beginning of something extraordinary. Thank you all very much for honoring us and coming to your alma mater. Long live Amcolian spirit. Army Medical College, Zindabad, Pakistan, Pine.